Hi, I'm Tim Jansen with Satellite Industries. Thank you for watching our how-to series. Today I want to show you how to service a portable restroom. Come on, let's get started. With the proper PPE and safety apparel on, you want to park the truck as close to the restroom as possible. You want to get out, turn the vacuum pump on. Before servicing the unit, you want to inspect and note any damage. Now would be a good time to remove any trash or unwanted graffiti. Spray the urinal with urinal cleaner or delimer. And if you need to, use a brush. Place the wand in the tank, stir and agitate the waste before pumping. You want to make sure all the waste has cleared the wand before removing it. Now that we've pumped the tank, it's time to wash down the portable restroom. Apply toilet wash down to the interior surfaces and scrub down thoroughly if needed. And if the exterior needs to be washed, and use a pressure washer, remove the dirt and debris. Always follow your company's procedures and policies. Add approximately 5 gallons of fresh water and deodorizer to charge the tank. You want to dry the top of the seat, the top of the tank, and the floor. Restock supplies such as sanitizer, toilet paper, and fragrance boosters. Date service sticker if applicable, or update the company app. Make any necessary repairs on site if at all possible. Thank you for watching our video on how to service a portable restroom. If you have any additional questions, feel free to call us at 1-800-883-1123 or visit our website at satelliteindustries.com. Keep on pumping and stay safe.